fans, it's your boy, Siren Boy Cop here. Today we are going to record the siren because I actually have permission to turn this siren on. This box does not work because it's not supposed to work with people. But right here are the buttons. This will be stay tuned at 4 o'clock, which is in a few minutes. I'm going to give y'all a quick tour before the siren turns on. Here's the blower, and I'm going to do a blower test, so you guys better do. Now, I am going to try to get oofed by 4 o'clock. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Maybe not. But I will do a new sound use, and that power switch does nothing to you guys. This is the T-Bowl. It is an old T-Bowl. Now this isn't outdated apparently. This model still works because if you look at that, it has those parts, okay? Oh wow, look at that. Now, if my alt was here to turn on the sound, look at that. But we don't have. Nope, you cannot do that command. Let's see over here because some of the road. Because you didn't know. If you wanted to turn right here, you can drive on the grass road. As if you didn't know, and there's actually a road on there. Protective stuff. And if you didn't know. This is unknown. A siren will be installed there soon. Oh my god, I gotta get back there quick. How about no? Let me. If y'all want, if that's okay, guys, I'm okay with that. Okay, guys, we made it. Okay, guys, we made it. Okay, turn that off. No good. Let's turn off chat and leaderboard too. Hey, sorry, did you say, hey, bird up, that's not a bird box. One more minute, please. It's 4 o'clock, alert mode. I'll try to do upper shot camera on the X2. On the second alert thing. Turn up my volume so y'all guys can hear it. Sorry for not turning up my volume up that loud. Okay, let's do it's like 4 o'clock. The first ever time the T-Bowl has tested is today. Alright, here we go! Oh my god, it's on! Oh my god, I'm touching the pole with my own hands! Oh my god. You can hear it so loud. This is the first ever time it has activated. Worst way possible. Well, there goes all. Well, that was the first test that Tanker City WY did. Let's go film some new sirens. So there is a brand new one. It's Wheelin' and Monkey Folk Productions. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, right here's the Wheelin' I'm talking about. This one does not rotate. This one's the one that does not rotate at all. Like, what? Like, look at this. I click this. Okay, here we go. We're working on tornado sirens now. And we have a bolt. We have several attachments to it. Okay, we have to do short because the entire town will be alerted that a tornado warning has been issued in the area, even though we don't have. Oh my God, TG, why'd you do that? Okay, here's a brand new siren I want to talk about. This one always does not do alert, only air horn. Here's why. There's no sound, only air horn. What? Whoa! There is no more Sirens in B blocks, Alexa County. Taker City WY, sadly. But the one that's gonna be installed, I said soon. Yep, it's actually true. Leakers. Now, if you are a reviewer / leaker, yeah. But anyways, have a good one. Bye.